In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an envelope in DocuSign. This process is essential if you regularly need to send documents for electronic signatures. It will allow you to streamline your workflow and make the signing process more efficient for both you and the recipients. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First, let's get started. On your DocuSign homepage, you'll notice a button labeled Start. Clicking this will take you right into the process of creating an envelope. Alternatively, you can go to the Agreements section and select Start Now. This is your gateway to setting up the envelope that will contain all your important documents needing signatures. Now that we're in the right place, the next step is to upload the necessary documents. Ensure that the documents you want to send are saved on your computer. You'll find an option to Upload. Click that, and a window will pop up allowing you to select files from your computer. Choose your documents, and they will be added to your envelope, ready to be sent for signatures. With your documents uploaded, the next detail to focus on is adding your recipient's information. This is where you enter the name and email address of the person who will be signing the document. You'll find fields designated to enter these details. Once filled out, simply click Next. This will prepare the system to start setting up the areas in your document that require attention. Now we move on to designating areas in your documents for signatures. Under the Standard Fields option, you can drag and drop various fields onto your document. This includes not only signature fields, but other necessary fields like dates or initials. Position these fields in the appropriate spots on your document where the recipient needs to take action. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the needed inputs from the recipient are clearly marked and ready for action. Once you've carefully placed all the necessary fields and reviewed the document to ensure everything is in order, the final step is to send your envelope. Simply hit the Send button. This action dispatches your document to the recipient, ushering it into their inbox ready to be signed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and sent an envelope in DocuSign, setting up a seamless and professional process for obtaining electronic signatures. This tool not only saves time, but also minimizes the hassle of physical paperwork. By utilizing DocuSign, you can ensure all parties involved in the signing process can do so conveniently, securely, and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!